Hi angels, welcome back to another resin video. So in this video we're going to be making a resin mirror. So I got this mold from Amazon. I will leave the link in the description box down below. Also I got all these flowers, dry pressed flowers from Amazon as well. I was going to use some lights, but I didn't quite know how the mold was supposed to look like. What was supposed to be the top, what was supposed to be the bottom. So I was like, wait until after I use it, and then I don't know how it's supposed to look because this is the first time using it. And yeah, I think that's it. Oh, I mixed up my resin, placed it in there already, and now I'm just adding on in there all of the flowers and all of the good stuff. You're gonna see at the end of the video that these white flowers turn brownish. I don't know what happened there. I guess it wasn't dry enough. I don't think I burned it or anything. Definitely was not me. I didn't know how I want the flowers to place. I was just trying to figure out, like, do I add this in there? Do I add this in there? Like, how am I supposed to make it look? So I kept on going back and forth. But I was like, let me just start adding it all in there before the resin hardens. Because when I like to do part A and part B, I like to put in some hot water so all the bubbles can rise up. And then I mix everything together. So yeah. I should have never added that white flower in there, because that is gonna cause a ton of bubbles. Because obviously there's a big space in between there, so the bubbles didn't get trapped. But you live and you learn from your mistakes. Another little scrap pieces that was left over from the flowers, I just decided to add it in there, because what else am I gonna do with it? After I placed all of the flowers that I wanted, I still didn't like the way how it turned out, so I decided to add some blue fire glass, which I also got from Amazon. I've used them before in another video. I don't think I've used the blue ones, but yeah, just adding in there a little bit. I don't know what I was thinking. I was just trying to see what would look better, what would look good. Just trying to put everything together. So after this, I just let it dry overnight, 24 hours, and then I kept on adding in different layers until it was filled all the way up. I think I only did 3 layers, if I'm not. Yeah, I think only 3. The resin that I had left over, I just poured it on top of everything else so that it can all stick together. Dun 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 dun. Okay, so the first layer got dried, and now I'm adding on in there the second layer. I should add some gold flakes or something. Yeah. And to get rid of the bubbles, I use my lighter. You can either use lighter or 99% alcohol. I don't even know where it did with that alcohol. So I just use my lighter. You can obviously see that the bubbles are rising. Or you can just pop the bubbles with a pen or whatever. But I just use my lighter. So shaky. Okay, so it's been 24 hours. I didn't know that the third layer dry, and outside I don't have footage of me pouring in the third layer. But I didn't know that it dry, so I had some leftover resin, so I was just like scooping it to the side, so that's why it's like this. So yeah, let's see how this turned out. Oopsie. Doesn't like if it's dry, but it has been 24 hours, so I'm just gonna let it stay. This is not looking too well. A few hours, I think it's ready. Now we shall see. back to the mold. Maybe there's something else on the back. Okay. Wait a minute. Oh no, I thought this was supposed to be the back and then this was supposed to be the front. Oh, okay. Now it makes sense. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to redo this. And there is a ton of bubbles in here. Alright, let's see if I can put down there the mirror. It only came with 2 mirrors. I can't order the mirrors separately. So wait, why can't it go in? I can't get it all the way down. Or maybe this is how it's supposed to be. I don't know. So I was wrong. This is the front. So this is how it's supposed to be. This makes more sense. And this is the back. I don't like the colors. I don't like anything about it, but first try. Now I know how the mold works, how the mirror is supposed to place. So I'm gonna try it again. This time with some lights, and hopefully it turned out way better than this. But I love it so far. I don't love it. Like seriously, there was no bubbles when I was finished with this, and then in the morning bubbles, and then it's fine. I'll just try it again.